Hello everyone. My name is Abhijit, and you are watching Abyss Tech World. So yeah, today we'll talk about a certification that I'm going to prepare. So I'm starting a journey to get certified into the certification that is Certified Kubernetes Specialty (CKS). So it's kind of a professional kind of a certification, and I am trying to record my learnings in a video mode. So that's why I'm trying to uh, create these records, these videos, and a little bit about myself before we start into the journey. My name is Abhijit, and I have been uh, working in IT industry from last 7+ years. I have uh, I have experience in uh, OS administrations like Linux, HP Unix, a little bit of Solaris. I have started with HP Unix of course, and I have moved to Linux. After that, I moved to cloud. Specifically, I have learned AWS, GCP, OCI. These clouds, I have done some certifications in these cloud domains as well, and I have also done certified Kubernetes administration. Uh, so right now, I'm working as a cloud and DevOps engineer with voice, and um, I'm preparing for my CKS Certified Kubernetes Specialty Certification, and this is my first recording video of this specific certification journey. So I will just go through. Today we will be going through the curriculum of this specific specialty certificates and certification, and I will be keeping. I will be uploading the next videos as and uh, whenever there is about the updates and about the progress of this specific specific journey. So let me share my screen so that you can see. So we are on this page. Uh, This is the Linux Foundation page where I have just searched for CKS exam certification, and this has popped out Certified Kubernetes Security Specialist (CKS). So what it includes is basically it has proven security Kubernetes skills are credit or open or show your skills with this globally recognized vendor neutral certification. It includes 12 months of shit to schedule and take exam access up to exam nations. So it tells me about this how this specific CKS is constructed. So its certification cost is 445 and US dollars. and you can check other details on this page. I will directly go to the domain and competencies section where the curriculum for this specific certification has been mentioned. I'll just expand all. Here we can see cluster setup. Uh, there are only 5 to 6 domains, I believe. Let me quickly check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 domains are there, and let's dive into this one and see what we have on our plate. So first domain is cluster setup. It's using network security policies to restrict cluster level access. One is NSP, network security policies. Another thing is CIS benchmark to review the security configuration of Kubernetes components. So CIS is basically a organization that provides some benchmarks related to securities for uh, all the tools. Like for it, it works for all, like Linux, Kubernetes, Linux OSS, Kubernetes, everything. So here it has mentioned like Kubernetes comp. We will be uh, reviewing this CIS benchmark for Kubernetes components, etcd, kubelet, kubedns, kubeAPI, properly set up ingress with TLS, protect node metadata and endpoints, verify platform binaries before deploying. So this is the first domain. It has 15% of weightage in the exam. So next is cluster hardening. In cluster, it has also the same 15% of weightage. Use role-based access control to minimize exposure. Are back basically. So creating roles and role bandings, cluster and cluster bandings, and attaching it to the service accounts. All those things we will be seeing it within this exercise. Caution in using service accounts. Disable defaults. Minimize permissions on newly created ones. Restrict access to Kube API server. Upgrade Kubernetes to avoid vulnerabilities. Third one is system hardening, which has 10% of weightage. It has these topics like minimizing the host footprint to reduce attack surface. The next is using less privilege identity and access management. So this is very standard uh, procedures everywhere, basically least privilege. So whether it's cloud or whether it's Linux systems or whether it is Kubernetes, anywhere we work, we provide least privileges, enough privileges to these users to work, to carry out their work, minimize external access to the network, and appropriate use kernel hardening tools. These are ARMOR and SecComp are the kernel hardening tools. So we will be looking into these as well. The fourth domain is minimize microservice vulnerabilities. Use We'll be using appropriate pod security standards, manage Kubernetes secrets, understand and implement isolation techniques like multi-tenancy, sandboxed containers, etc. Implement pod-to-pod encryption for pod. And for that, we will have to deep dive into CDM and STO. Supply chain security. So in supply chain security, we will be looking into how we can minimize the base image footprint. How we will have to understand how to minimize this specific footprint into CI/CD, artifact repositories, or SysBomb. secure your supply chain, permitted registries and validate artifacts, etc. Perform static analysis to user workloads, container images, kubesec, kubelinter, etc. The last one is monitoring, logging, and runtime security. It has the highest weightage of 20%. And it includes perform behavioral analytics to detect malicious activities, detect threats within physical infrastructure, apps, network, data users, and workloads, investigate and identify phases of attack, bad actors within the environment, ensure immutability of containers at runtime, use Kubernetes audit logs to monitor access. So all these topics we are going to cover in this journey. So I have just started, and I'll be looking into more. I will resources, and I will stop sharing now. Okay, so I have started and my journey, and I just wanted to record this journey throughout so that I will be I can come back at any time and look at these videos and refer these videos in future. So mm, that's it for today. We'll share the updates next Sunday. Thank you. Have a great one. Bye bye.